Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to import password on LastPass from Microsoft Edge. First, export all password from Edge, and after that go to lastpass.com and log in LastPass account. After login, just click on import your existing password, then click on Edge. After that, browse your computer and find Microsoft Edge password file, then click on open, then click on review and import. Now you can see all password are import successfully. Click on import all. Successfully imported all 67 password from Edge. Thank you.